This is Mansudakar. Today we will discuss about bubble sort algorithm. Okay, I will explain you. So this is the input array 8, 3, 7, 5, 4, 6, 2. This is the input array. So we need to sort. Okay, we will sort with ascending order. Okay, this is the input array. First what we will do, this first index, right, the 0th index, we will take it as a I, and the second index 3 we will consider as a j. Okay, we will compare with I comma j. You see here, I, if I greater than j, array of I is greater than array of j. Okay, then you swap it. What is the condition? Let me write clearly. Array of I is greater than array of j, then you can swap it. Let me write here. Okay, if it is not, then don't swap, just increment I comma j. Okay, this one. Okay, yeah, let me clear this. Okay, so we are swapping. So after swapping, it will come like this array. Okay, after incrementing, I is come to this position and j, it will go to this position, this index. Okay, compare with I comma j. What is the I? 8. What is the j? 7. Compare this one. I is greater than j. Yes, array of I is greater than array of j. 8 is greater than j. Then what you do, you swap it and increment I comma j. Okay, this is the array after swapping and increment. Okay, and again you see what is the current index for I. What is the I, the index? This one, right? This one, and jth this one. So again compare with 8 comma 5. 8 comma 5, 8 is greater than 5. Yes, condition satisfies. Then swap it and increment. So after incrementing, it will come. So 8 is greater than 4. Yes, 8 is greater than 4. Then swap it and increment I comma j. Okay, now after swapping, it will come this array. 8 greater than 6. Yes, swap it and increment. Okay, and 8 is greater than 2. Yes, swap it, and there is no array here. Our array is over, then leave it. Okay, after swapping, this is the output array. Okay, array modified here. So you see the 8, right? The 8, it came into the right side. So this is arranged, this is sorted. Okay, the sorting is over, but remaining this array is there, right, from 3 to 2. So this is not sorted, so we need to sort it again. So how we started from beginning, right? From here, the same we have to iterate. So what we do, we will take one more for loop, outer for loop. So assume this is the one for loop from here to there. Okay, from here to there, one iteration for loop. Okay, one iteration. Okay, and after this, we need to sort this also, right? So what we do, this is another for loop array. Okay, down, whatever it is there, down, right? Let me take this. Here it is. Yeah, completely. Okay, this is next iteration. Okay, now come here, the second iteration. This first iteration over. That is the first pass. Now second iteration means k equal to 1. Okay, now what is the I is 3. What is the j? J is 7. Compare with I comma j. Array of I is greater than array of j. I is greater than j. 3 is greater than 7. No, right? Don't swap. Do not swap. Okay, why? Because we are sorting with ascending order. So all maximum elements, so it will go to the right side. But this is not a maximum compared with this one, right? So that's why we are not swapping. Okay, keep it as it is. Now come here. Here we are not swapping, but we are incrementing I comma j. So after incrementing, I it comes here and j it goes here. Okay, now compare with 7 comma 5. 7 is greater, right? Yes, 7 is greater than 5. Then swap it and increment I comma j. So after this array, it will form this array. Okay, now compare with I comma j. 7 is greater than 4. Yes, 7 is greater than 4. Okay, swap it and increment I comma j. After this, then this one. Okay, now you see here also the same. 7 is greater than 6, swapping and incrementing I comma j. 7 is swapping with the 2 and incrementing I comma j. Okay, now you see here last two numbers, right? Last two elements, it is sorted. Okay, remaining this one not sorted. Got it? Remaining this array is not sorted. We need to sort it again. Okay, take one more loop, outer loop. Now k equal to 2. Okay, I mean the third iteration of the array. Okay, this is outer loop, this is inner loop, for loop. Okay, now you see here I comma j. The same, you do the same thing. I is greater than j, array of I is greater than array of j. 3 is greater than 5. No, right? Don't swap. Just increment I comma j. 5 comma 4. Okay, after increment, so again you check 5 is greater than 4. Yes, swap it and increment. After swapping, it will come this one. Okay, so if you again you come here 5 comma 6. 5 is greater than 6. No, right? 5 is not greater than 6. You compare this one. 5 is not greater than 6. Do not swap, just increment. Okay, I comma j. Now come to here. What is I? I is 6. Okay, j 6 comma 7. Anyway, it is already sorted. So once you reach here, you can stop, or else if you do this also, this is already sorted. Okay, that's your wish. Yeah, I will write the code. I will explain you. First, what we need to take? We need to take inner for loop. So we will sort for this one. Okay, we will sort. For what we need? Let me take for loop. Okay, what variable I am taking? First int I equal to 0. Int I equal to 0. I less than array dot length I plus plus. I am incrementing. Okay, int I we need j also, right? J to compare this one. This is I, this is j. Okay, int j equal to I plus 1. Very simple. Okay, now what we need to do? We need to compare with this one with this one, right? Array of I is array of I compare with array of j. This one, array of I is greater than array of j. Okay, if is greater than array of j. Sorry, this will take as j, array of j. Okay, by mistake it's I press it T, but I kept it as it is j. Okay, what we need to do? We need to swap, right? So swap I, it will go to j, and j it will come to I. So what I will do? I will take I into the temp variable. Temp equal to array of I. Now array of I will replace with array of j. Sorry, no int. Let me delete that also. Okay, array of I replace. Now array of j, it will replace with the temp variable which is stored previously ith value, array of I value. Okay, this is over. This is over. Okay, you see this one. So once you see we are checking this one, right? I comma j. Suppose if it is greater, then swapping. If it is not greater, then just we are incrementing, right? If you see here, after completing this, we need to sort remaining array. So what we need? We need one more iteration. We need to iterate this one, right? So what we will do? We will write one more for loop. Okay, that we will take it as k equal to 0, k less than array, same array dot length. okay, plus plus. Okay, now we'll try to print the array. Okay, I will print this array in sort. Just a minute, let me write this one, to string and array. Okay, so bubble sort is ready, algorithm it is ready. Wait, we will run and see what it will come. So we are expecting into the ascending order. You see here it came 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, right? Yeah, now this is done. I will explain you this one. Suppose if you see this one, we are swapping, right? 8 swapping 3 and 8 swap, this one swapping, right? This it looks like a bubble, right? This is bubble, this is bubble, you see, bubble, 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 right? So that's why we are calling bubble sort. Okay, thank you, thanks guys, thanks for watching.